This is from Prema. Oh wow, that's a HTC cover. It's so cute. I don't have my phone now. Yeah, I know my picture on it. I don't have my phone now, but जैसे ही मेरा phone मेरे हाथ में आएगा, I'm gonna put it on. Thank you guys. So cute. Wow. So pretty. किसने दिया था ये? I'm so sorry प्रियंका, मुझे इतना excitement हो गया था gift खोलने का कि मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं. Thank you प्रियंका. You've written this is a gift which is similar to the gift which Om had gifted to Shanti Priya in a movie. So cute, yeah. Everything is so cute. Like I don't have words for it. I swear. Thank you so much, guys. तो ये जो 25 गिफ्ट्स मेरे 25वें बर्थडे पे मेरे सारे फैंस ने मुझे भेजा था. आई रियली वांट टू थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट. मैं थैंक यू के अलावा मैं और कुछ क्या बोलूँ मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता. बट थैंक यू इतना छोटा लगता है आप सबके इन एफर्ट्स और इतने हार्डवर्क के सामने. I really don't know what to say and I think मेरा बर्थडे हो गया है. I don't need another party or anything. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for this. Thank you. There's a card and there are a lot of chocolates inside and this writes Princess. It's written. So cute and there are chocolates inside. Birthday girl, have a fabulous day. This is sent by Ria. Thank you so much Ria. Dearest Asha, this is a rushed message as I am at the post office. Oh my god, you're a wonderful actress and beautiful soul. I wish you that you have a brilliant year ahead and a wonderful future with Ritvik. Thank you guys, God bless. May all your dreams come true. They will if you guys are with us. Thank you so much. Birthday wishes. Birthday wishes. Happy birthday princess, 1 year older but always looking young as ever. Oh my god. Kiki promise will always support you. That's so sweet. Oh, that's Ahona. Thank you so much Ahona. I really appreciate it. More messages at the back. I'm gonna read it later. But it's hi from Cute Gem. Yusra Khan says you're amazing and happy birthday. Aisha Begum says happy birthday and cute Ashvik selfies. Oh my god, we need more Ashvik selfies. Let Ritvik come now, then we will send you more Ashvik selfies. How do I, like, he's not here. Let him come. Thank you so much for this. Okay. I guess this is a dress from H&M. I like H&M. Okay, and there is this thing to wear on top of it, I guess. Yes. It is very classy. Thank you guys. I really appreciate this. I like black and white. And there is a pouch. Wow. Such a pretty color. Thank you. I think this is also a dress. No, that is a top. That's such a cute top, yeah. Thank you. Earrings, so cool. Very cool color, yeah. Thank you so much. Lip balm. I'm gonna open it later. But thank you so much for all these gifts. I'm so happy. And there is a bag also inside. Quite cool and classy. Thank you, yeah. That's a sling bag. Wow. It's damn cool. Like a rock star. And there is one chocolate also. So I will have to read this letter. थोड़ा सा time shortage है, but still I will read this letter. I know this letter is really long, but please read it until the end because it has a lot of important details about the gift. So read it fast, but please read it. On camera or off camera is your choice, but please read the whole letter. It is important. I love you a lot, Asha. No one can resist loving you. Even Ritvik has stated many times that he's one lucky soul to have you as his soulmate. In fact, both of you are lucky for each other. There are millions of girls out there wanting to have a person like Ritvik to be their life partner. You both are a match made in heaven and inspiration for many in several ways. Honestly, even if I was so lucky to have any one of you two as my life partner in this life, I would have said no, yes. I would have said no because of you both, because you both are made for each other. I cannot imagine you both with anyone else in real life. May God bless you both. Thank you so much. Okay, so real versus real. Speaking about real life now, Asha, I have heard or read in an interview that you felt jealous when you saw Ritvik shooting an intimate kind of scene with his co-star, and that is one of the things that made you realize that what you feel for him is more than friendship. I swear to God, I had the exact same feeling when I saw that scene on TV. Shirtless Ritvik in swimming pool with a co-actor. Now things are completely different. At that time you both were not together in real life, but now there is an unbreakable bond between you two. Now, I would not be upset at all if I see Ritvik performing any kind of scene with any co-actors, because I completely understand the kind of profession you both are in. Okay, so birthday gift. Let us talk about birthday gift now. Asha, I'm sending you a precious gift. Gift is precious because it is for you. I hope you would like it and would use it too. I have not revealed my identity in this letter or on the gift because it does not matter which fan sent it to you. I'm an Ashrican and all I want is a lovely segment from Telebytes in which you are doing full on musti. Oh my god, the gift for you is the iPad with retina display which you can use in Wi-Fi or cellular data. Your eyes will not strain due to retina display. So now you can watch all your Najbali videos and cute selfies on a bigger screen. If you use it, it will be the biggest return gift for me. Shit, oh my god.
She said
You and Ritvik appreciate us a lot for the smallest letter or gift that fans send. Do not do that for me, please. I have not done anything great for you. Actually, I have a selfish motive here. Whenever someone sends you gifts, I feel so delighted and excited for the lovely segment that we'll get, and this is all what I want. I'm always thirsty for your segments, pics and tweets, and I'm sure almost all other fans feel the same. Okay, revealing my identity. I have another envelope in this letter. That envelope has a code written in it. I have an exact copy of the same page that I have sent you. You open that envelope and see the code. Only you and Ritvik will know the code when you meet me. I will tell you that code. That will assure you that I'm the one who sent you this gift. Until then, when you use this iPad, remember all the Ashwikans. Our love for you is far beyond these words and gifts. Thank you to all the media who wrote about Ashwik, and special thanks to Telebytes and Miss Aksa Akbani for helping our love reach our stars. That is so sweet. And she also thanks, a big shout out to Miss Shivangi Kulkarni for the awesome photos of Ashwik. We want more. Another shout out to all silent fans who love Ashwik but not so active on Twitter or FB. Thank you so much. I really want to know who you are, I swear. This is the code thing. Oh my god. Now I really want to meet you and really I want the person to say this code. I seriously have no words. Oh my god. iPad. Want a picture?
He's so cute.
Shit, yeah. What do I say?